Hey, good morning. Welcome back to the channel, A Day with Roger. If you're new here, my name's Roger, and what we post is what I do on a day-to-day basis, from kiteboarding to paddleboarding, walking with the dog, and sometimes I do work. So today we're going to be replacing this door on my shed. Now I'll show you, it's all rotted out at the bottom, and I built it about 15 years ago with 3 sheets of plywood screwed together. And you know, it's Florida, so it gets wet every day as it rains in the summertime, and the bottom's all rotted out, and I put a board on the back side of it to keep the rats from running in and out. But we're going to put a new one on. So the first step we're going to do is we're going to take this lock system off, just a padlock on a shed door, and take the door down. I'll show you the rot, and we'll build a new one. So when I installed this door originally, and these hinges right here, I buttered the back side of the hinges with Vulkem Chemcock, and you might have seen me taking it apart, but that Vulkem is awesome stuff. In fact, I buttered the whole door edge with Vulkem, and yeah, it's lasted really well. Except you'll notice down here at the bottom, it's completely rotted out. And I put a board on this side of it to keep the rats out. But this door's had its day. Now it's still a pretty solid piece of lumber. So what I'm thinking I'm going to do is I'm just going to use it as kind of a bench on some sawhorses. So, all right, to the next phase. We're going to build a door. Okay, so just to clarify, I've been a contractor for over 40 years. I started building forts when I was a kid, and I do wear a new set of bags because the last set I had were shredded. So even though I've got new tools on, doesn't mean I got old school skills. And so we got our table saw set up, a chop saw set up, some 2x4s, and I'm going to just sort of build this door on time-elapse. And I'm going to let you guys figure out what this door is going to look like before it's finished. So you can follow along or take a guess down in the comments on what kind of door I'm building here. Okay, so you can probably tell that the shadows are getting longer and it's getting a little late in the day. I didn't get an early start on this project, but I've got the door built and I've got the hinge mortised. So I want to prep the door before I hang it. I want to paint the bottom of it where I can get to it, and caulk the outside and get it waterproof so that when it does go back, it's going to last a little longer. So I'm going to work on that project maybe tomorrow. I'm going to go look at a motorcycle. I might make a video of that to buy. And so yeah, so that's for today. I hope I got the footage right. Might have to put some notes in there. And thanks for watching, and we'll continue with the rest of it on another day. So it's about 20 minutes later, and the sun's going down, but I put all my tools away. And when I got done, I realized I didn't have a way to secure the shed because the old door was too heavy and I had no intention of putting that back up. So I went ahead and I put the finished door up. Even though it's not finished, I'm going to take it back down and paint it, but it's much lighter, seeing it's one sheet of, not even a full sheet of 3/4 inch plywood, and a couple of 2x4x8. So it's a lot lighter than 3 sheets of 3/4. Anyways, the doors hung, the mortises worked out perfect, screws went right in. I put them on a couple of free weight plates under the door, get it to the right level, and then I just shimmed the 2 plates up till the hinges lined up and put the screws to it. So there you have it.